Hello friends, I have this WordPress website that we created in an earlier video during overview of Unita WordPress theme. Now I want to optimize this website for speed, for user experience, and it can be done easily using a very sophisticated and high-end plugin that can be availed at WordPress org for free. And I'm going to add all the links in the video description. So this is Serafinite Accelerator that we are going to use to optimize this wonderful website, and we are going to overview all its feature in this video itself. So you have both the options. Of course, you can get the plugin for free at WordPress org, and if you want to proceed further to enhance the features and functionality, you can go for the pro version. So it is here, and you can get all the benefits using the pro version, like speed up WordPress site on mobile and desktop, and you can see the score. So we need to check all this, and I am going to show you all the steps, and you can compare the free and the premium version. So it is totally your choice, but yes, you can start with a free version. And I am here at the back end of this website. I have already installed the Serafinite Accelerator, and now I'm going to begin the setup wizard. So don't install any plugin just for testing purpose. It leaves some impression at your database even you deactivate and delete the plugin. So it is important to watch videos on this channel so that you may actually understand what you are going to achieve with the plugin, or even the theme that you are going to choose, what are the features available. So it is important to watch the video. This is the purpose of video as well. And if you have any question, we are here to answer most of your questions through our iCreate program on the live chat related to WordPress website. Okay, so let us begin the setup wizard. And the first thing that I can see here, it is very good thing. It is better to be sure the plugin works correctly at this website. This particular website, it is going to be diagnostic. Is this diagnostic tool verifies all required site mechanism and settings. So this is very important, because when you are choosing any plugin for optimization, there might be some compressions that may not suitable for your theme or the plugins set you are using. So it is really important to check that particular plugin optimization steps are going to be helpful for your site or even not. So this is self diagnostic tool, and checking it can check all the steps like uh, acronyms, text execution, page optimization, request, and all such things. So let us click on this start self diagnosis, and it is running now, and it will give us some result. Let us see what happens on the screen. And it is running, succeeded, and it is going fast. Checking maximum execution time and memory limit. So the maximum memory limit is 1 GB. It is recommended to 2 GB. Okay, so that is fine. Recommendation is here, so we can even increase the memory limit, but we can be fine for the next step. And almost all are green here, and I can increase the memory limit. I have already shown you all such things, how you can increase the memory limit for your WordPress website. So I'm using this cPanel based hosting plan, and it is recommended to use cPanel based hosting plan or hPanel with the Bluehost, Hostinger, or any cPanel hosting provider. All you can get at WP Themes website. I'm going to add all the links at the video description so you can explore all those things. So let us move to next step, and the next step is the setup wizard. The good optimization that our a product provides takes time. Okay, so optimization time will be less on hosting with high performance. Okay, so which optimization mode you need? Always a high score, or even if you are not sure, you can choose this. Always a high score, always up to date content. The content of pages will almost always be optimized view. So but the time of page update, they'll okay. So we will go with the first option, always a high score. So let us go to the next, and the setup wizard. What is the performance of the site hosting? uh, it means the processor. So we will go with the low. So since I am using the shared hosting, and depending upon your host, you can choose either high or medium, or be with the low. So you can choose high if it is hosting on dedicated server, okay, and medium can be dedicated server or DPS, and I'm using shared one, so I have chosen the low. By default, low is selected here. So okay, the next screen is the layout of this site is universal for all types of devices. It is necessary to separate on mobile. Okay, so universal or adaptive, saving hosting resources and optimization time. No optimization for mobile device will be done separately in addition to ordinary device. Let us go with the default thing. I have selected no here. Run optimization of all site pages. So let us finish this. Okay. So it is going to take time, and we have to put the license key here. And you only need the license key when you are using the pro version. So it is important to compare all the features that you'll get in the free versus pro version. So like we are going to get the fastest cache engine in the free, high load tolerance, security, multiple CDN, and all these things are available in the free version itself. So why we have to go in the premium version? So no page view limits. Okay. So just in case if we need, we will move to the pro version, and I'll also show you some settings for the settings. So before we can proceed. So there are some more skills like cache and its revalidations we can enable and disable as required, like general accepted encoding like gzip, the deflate or the broadly. So it is in all technical things, and all by default has been selected as required for your website, like scripts, styles, the content, and the CDN group. So let us move, come back to the general version. I mean the free version that you can use, everyone can use using this WordPress.org, and it can be found. Like I'm going to select this and found the plugin here. So simply by searching it, and let us install this base version. I mean the free version, of course. So it has already got the 60,000 plus active installation. So you can really assume how it is popular and how it is effective. It is being used by the multiple users on the live website. Okay, right. So I'm here, and I am here the on the settings. So earlier I shown you the pro version, but did not activate the licenses. It is a demo installation only, demo site. So you can get the pro version as I shown you through the link given in the video description. Further, this is the base version, free version, where the cache and all such features are enabled as I shown you in the comparison list. And we can go for uh, the extended version also. So if we are going to get this extended version, we will get some additional features. I believe enable activation premium features, free extended plugin version with additional features. Please press download free extension. What it means? Okay, so for extended one, we have to download this. Okay, so I'll uh, download the free extended plugin version and open the vendor's website. Then download free version, replace with the existing one. Okay, so let us install this new one that we just downloaded. Okay, so I have installed the Accelerator, and it is already disabled. So this is the thing. uh, Here is the Accelerator. Okay, so we can manage the things here. So page visits 4 out of 5,000 till month. So every month we can have 5,000 widgets with the free version, and this is the automated thing that is going with the extended one. It is totally your choice. Either you can be with the extended version or the base version, and I have shown you all these installations. But with the extended version, all things are automated. You don't need to do anything regarding cache or revalidate, or everything is going to be automated. However, there are manual processes, and it will definitely uh, enhance the speed on the desktop and the mobile devices. So there are three things. Either you can be with the base version, I mean the free version of the plugin, and that you can directly download at to the WordPress repository. So I'll show you again. This is the free one, and both of these are free one actually. And okay, so this is the extended one, and earlier we used the base version that can be obtained at the plugin repository at WordPress org. Okay, so this one. And when you are going to add the extended one, here is the plugin download link. So this is the download link. So all works fine, and it is really going to optimize the speed of your website. And you have to do nothing regarding selection, settings, and much. So all it is going to be automated, and it will definitely enhance the website speed. So you can check the speed, how it acts, works for your website, and I'm sure it is going to benefit your site in terms of speed and in terms of user experience. So if you have any further question and you need any assistance regarding installation and configuration etc, so you can get directly in touch with a mentor here at Accelerator program. And in the next video I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, thank you.